In this video, we'll take a look at how to start and stop an activity on your Garmin Instinct. When you're ready to do an activity, all you have to do is press the GPS button and choose one of the profiles. You have indoor activities, which doesn't use the GPS chip, and you have outdoor profiles, which uses the GPS. Here we're going to use hike. I'm going to press the GPS, and what it does here, it does a GPS acquisition once it gets a signal from the GPS. Here we already have it because we have the check mark. And now once we're actually ready to start the activity, all we have to do now at this point is press the GPS button and off we go. Now, if we want to pause the event, we can just hit on our GPS button again. Now, after a couple of seconds, we'll have a bunch of menu options. Here we can either resume the activity, we can either save the activity, which will get synced to Garmin Connect afterwards. We can do resume later. You can hit a lap. And then we have back to start. Now, once we hit the GPS button into back to start, we can either backtrack, which will trace the path that we did in our activity, or we do a straight A to B navigation to back to our start. Now, these will only work if you're using an outdoor profile with the GPS. And finally, if you don't want to save the activity, you want to discard it, you can discard. Press and confirm. And there you go. That is quickly how you can start and stop activities with your Garmin Instinct.